April 10th, OPPO will be announcing the much-hyped OPPO Reno series of smartphones. It is speculated that the Chinese manufacturer Snapdragon 710 and a Snapdragon 855 version of the OPPO Reno smartphone. The AT866 model is expected to arrive in 4G only and 5G ready versions. The OPPO Reno launch event will be held in Shanghai at Mercedes-Benz Arena on April 10 between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. The Chinese manufacturer will also be an international event for the OPPO Reno series on April 24th in Zurich, Switzerland for global audience. In the previous month, OPPO had trademarked 5 Reno monikers with European Union Intellectual Property Office and Intellectual Property Office such as OPPO Reno Pro, Reno Plus, Reno Zoom, Reno Lite and Reno Youth. The OPPO Reno 10X Zoom Edition could be fueled by the Snapdragon 855 SoC. It is expected to arrive with a 6.65-inch noseless OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and in-display fingerprint reader. It will offer a screen-to-body ratio 91.3%. The SoC will be supported by 8GB of RAM and will include 256GB of native storage. The ColorOS 6.0 UI-based Android 9 Pie OS will come loaded on the device. Its triple camera setup will include OIS-enabled Sony IMX586 48MP primary sensor, an 8MP 120° super wide-angle lens and a 13MP periscope telephoto lens as third camera sensor. A sharp fin-shaped pop-up selfie camera module with an LED flash and 16MP lens is also available on the device. The smartphone will also carry support for dual-band GPS technology and it will come equipped with copper tube liquid cooling for internal heat dissipation. The 4065 mAh battery of the phone will support VOC fast charging technology. The handset was Bluetooth certified in the previous month, through which it was revealed that the company will also be announcing a 5G version of the phone. The SD855 variant is expected to be priced around $605 and $605 in Vietnam. Apart from SD855 model, two smartphones of the OPPO Reno series with model numbers PCA-M00, PCA-T00, PCG-M00, PCG-T00 and PCA-M10, PCA-T10. The last model appears like a low-end model that could probably end up as OPPO Reno Youth or Lite. It features a 6.5-inch IPS LCD water drop style notch display with Full HD Plus resolution, 2.1 GHz octa-core processor, up to 6GB of RAM, up to 128GB of storage, Android 9 Pie OS, 16MP plus 2MP dual camera, 16MP selfie camera, around 4000 mAh battery and a rear-facing fingerprint reader. The PCA-M00, PCA-T00 and PCG-M00, PCG-T00 seems to feature identical specs and only the noticeable difference between are the rear camera configurations. The PCA-M00, PCA-T00 model has a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED notchless display with in-screen fingerprint sensor. It is powered by 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and up to 8GB of RAM. It features up to 56GB of native storage. For photography, it features a 48MP plus 5MP dual camera on its rear and an LED-assisted 16MP selfie camera placed in a pop-up camera module. It's packed with a 3680 mAh battery with support for rapid charging technology. The OPPO PCG-M00 features a slightly bigger 6.5-inch AMOLED notchless display and 16MP plus 2MP dual camera, but rest of the specs are identical with PCA-M00, PCA-T00 model. Hence, at least one of both the PCA-M00, PCA-T00 and PCG-M00, PCG-T00 could be both powered by Snapdragon 710 SoC. This model is expected to colors like Extreme Night Black, Mist Pink, Foxy Green and Nebula Purple. The smartphone is now up for reservations in China through its official online shop.